In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automation robots in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to go to your CRM over here on the left, and then inside the CRM you want to switch to leads or deals depending on what you want to work with. I'm going to go with leads for now, and then from here you want to go to Kanban, which is the first option. Now up top over here you can find your automation rules, okay? These are the automation robots, so you can just click on this button over here, and what you can do from here is basically select the specific stage column. So what I'm going to do is just going to go with default over here, and I'm going to click on the plus create button. What that's going to do here, of course, it's going to add it to a stage. It's unassigned right now. You can change to whichever one you want, or just click on the plus add button where you want it, and that's going to be put in there. So I'm just going to go to unassigned, and then from here you can see you can basically filter and browse through categories, like for example customer communication, you have employee alerts, or you have things like down here you have like ads and stuff like that. So for now I'm actually just going to go with customer communication. Let's like this. I'm going to click on it, and then from here you basically want to pick the exact robot which you need. So in my case here there's a few different ones. I'm actually going to go and do a simple one. It's going to be send email, and you want to click on the add button next to the robot you want to add. Just like this, as you can see, you can select the execution and time and the condition as well. You can select who it's from. I'm going to do auto select, and then the subject, of course you can type in whatever you want here, and the body as well, and you can of course select the client address type. It can auto select or do whichever one of these you want, and then you can also use the address first or last added, and then from here you can just go ahead and click on the save button, and that's going to add the automation rule on here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create automation robots in Bitrix24. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.